Guys, I found my new Japanese friend Soichi. Let's try to enjoy this last day to Santiago. We are here, 13 days, this is it. Last day to Santiago. Good morning, welcome to day number 13 of my... It's quite early morning and we left our hostel, a chalet in A Brea. Let's go. It's amazing, we got a lot of mist, but it's really a good day, you can tell there. You can see the moon up there. Clear. Wow, the colors are great already. I found my new Japanese friend from Japan, Soichi. We're going for breakfast. Great, he speaks Italian better than me. Let's go for a coffee and go to Santiago.
Yeah.
Yes. It's Soichi's son. He did the Francais way and it's 30 days of walk.
Yeah.
That's insane. Are you tired?
No, I'm just enjoying.
We tried to cheer up from yesterday, so let's try to enjoy this last day to Santiago.
Blood on the tracks. You're driving a long way home. No going back. You're lost on the open road. And no, I don't mind.
Here we're trying to speak too many languages. We've got Japanese, Spanish, Italian, French, English. What else? Tenemos otros idiomas? Lo idioma de los idiotas. I gain respect in Spain as well. Awesome. See you in Santiago.
Sí, Santiago.
Okay, so she's going. We stop again.
¿Qué pasa?
Hola, Mariano. La cucaracha, no puede caminar.
Voy al servicio.
Wow.
Aunque no queramos.
Claro.
Llevamos 15 días cantándola.
Es verdad, fuerte cucaracha. Él con su cucaracha.
Andiamo, andiamo.
1, 2, 3, 4. Don't you want to come around and tell me, don't you want to come around here? You won't find nothing unless you bring something, you won't find nothing around here.
Guys, we have Frodo and Sam. 11 kilometers to Santiago. Everyone starts to feel a bit sad.
Don't you want to sing along and tell me, don't you want to sing along here? The song's all sad because the people got it bad, oh, don't you want to sing along here?
So, we are close to Santiago and guess who? Guess who's back? And that's Santiago, guys. We are there and it's drone time.
Can you hear the talking? Can you hear the talking around here? There ain't no rules, I'm talking about the fools, so little ones cover your ears.
As you can see, guys, there's a lot of people now. It's the last stop, the last truck, so everyone is going to Santiago from all the different routes. And if you remember what I said about La Concha, so the scallop, here, the scallop shell, we're all going there. So everyone joins up, going to the destination. And we are filling up our credencial del peregrino, the passport with all the stamps of the places we are visiting. We are looking for the albergue, el seminar minor, and go to the cathedral.
Haha, Bizchino, Bizcorcino.
Dai zio, che ce la facciamo? Come on, Claudito. Okay, tip of the day. Look at this. 400 meters. So like 2 kilometers away, it was saying 800 meters and now it's 400, so don't trust the calculation here in terms of distance. It doesn't make any sense. Spanish people, what are you doing? Like, do you have surveyors? We made it! Whoop whoop! Ce l'abbiamo fatta! So this is a seminario menor, and tonight I'm gonna sleep on my own. Wow. Oh yes, I'm alone. There's no toilet, no bathroom, but I can wash my face. Is it tiny? But I don't care. Shower time, and we go to the cathedral for the service at 7:30. Have you seen my beard, by the way? This is the pilgrim way, you don't shave. So I didn't even bring my razor. This is cool. That's definitely a drone shot. Here we are, welcome to Santiago. Let's catch up the guys, let's go all together. So apparently this music you can hear in the background, there's a guy here every day, and as soon as we cross this arch he opens to the square of the cathedral. Right guys, here we are, Santiago.
We are here.
We're here, 13 days. This is it.
Peter, where is Peter?
Hola guys. We made it. How's it feeling? Guys, we made it to Santiago. It's kick the moon time. We're entering the cathedral now for the pilgrim service. It's a service oppositely for the pilgrims, so when we reach the destination. 13 days. Wow, we're here. We're here, Didi. We made it. Apparently it's a unique service. They have a huge incense burner called Botafumero, which is gonna swing along the church. Mamma mia. We are out after the service. It was great. I mean, the service was a normal service, but the amount of feelings and emotions that went through that service was incredible. I cried like a baby from start to end. I cried for the effort we made to get here, 320 kilometers, 13 days walk. I cried for the answer I got to my question. I cried because it wasn't the answer I was expecting, and really a lot of things just popped out. We stopped for this, it's called Vigil of Prayer, a Vigilia d'Orazione. It was like a mini tour of the cathedral, singing, you know, and praying. So it was really interesting. We saw the grave of St. James, and I just realized as soon as I entered that James is also called Jacob, and Jacob's wife's name is actually the name of the girl I'm leaving behind. So I really want to live here. I really want to live it in the cathedral. It's been great. I really cried like a baby. And I don't care, to be honest. Definitely, guys, come here and do this. It's a great experience. Look at this. This is going to freak you out as it did to me. Okay, see this thing? It's a normal column. But if we move to the left, you can see it now. Look at that thing. It's a pilgrim right there. Right? So there's a legend behind this. It says, the legend goes, this shadow is of a priest. So a priest used to hang out the cathedral on his own, walking day after day. And after a while he met a sister and nun, and they were walking together, they fell in love, they decided to run away together, escape, dressed up as pilgrims. But when the night came, the sister never showed up. So since then, this guy is still looking for her. That's touching. And with this amazing story, romantic story, we leave you because we are done. We made it, guys. In the next episode, this is finished there. Here we are, Muxia. We meet again, Matteo. Follow the adventures of my Camino de Santiago on YouTube and A Brea. Subscribe now for the video notifications.